Hello, in this video, we will show you the possibilities of the adapter frame. We use the adapter frame in situations where a standard curb is not sufficient to install an eye window or a new skylight. For example, in the case of a wooden or polyester curb, it may be possible that we cannot install the eye window immediately because it does not have the correct profile to click the eye window into place. The adapter frame offers the solution here, as the top of the adapter frame is suitable for any eye window 2, eye window 3, or plastic skylight. An additional advantage of the adapter frame is that we can install it onto an existing curb that is already incorporated in the roofing so that we do not have to replace or renew the curb. The adapter frame can also be placed on deviating curbs in oversize and/or undersize. For example, if we take an adapter frame of 80 by 80 cm, the maximum daylight oversize of the wooden curb can be 3 cm or in this example 83 cm. An undersize is also possible. There is no minimum in this case. Please note that the minimum external size of the curb is equal to the daylight size of the adapter frame plus 10 cm. Also, the maximum external size of the curb cannot be more than the daylight size of the adapter frame plus 19 cm. If a wooden curb with an oversize is used, the cable trunking profile can be clicked out of the adapter frame, allowing you to finish the frame with plasterboard or MDF. There is a triple seal at the bottom of the adapter frame, which seals everything perfectly airtight. Always check whether the curb is higher than 15 cm. Only then can we work with an adapter frame. Now we can place the adapter frame on the skylight curb. Once the adapter frame is positioned in the right place, we can screw it down. To do this, we use screws with a countersunk head or low round head of at least 80 mm long and a diameter of at least 4.5 mm. These screws are not included. In a wooden curb, we use wood screws, in a polyester curb, we use self-drilling screws, and in a concrete curb, we use screws with plugs. We start screwing 6 cm from the corner of the adapter frame with a maximum distance of 40 cm. We screw the screws through the frame at 3 cm distance from the inside of the frame. Here, a deep groove is provided in the profile. After correctly securing the adapter frame, we can install the eye window 2, eye window 3, or new plastic skylight. This process can also be applied to a concrete curb or a polyester curb.